Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Limelight Networks. Now, if you are closely looking into the stock, you will see the stock is moving inside or in between a range. But there is enough volatility to play with, and probably you can make a decent amount of profit if this works out the way as the trend suggests. So let's understand the trend first before starting the explanation or before doing the part by part analysis of this particular chart. So this is the range that we are going to talk about, and until and unless the stock broken out beyond this range, we can't go any further, because as you can see here, the range itself uh, is in this position for the last 13 years. So what we have here is your immediate support of 2.28, and if you are looking at the price action, you will have your stop loss, and that will be in between 1.78 and 1.66. So these are the two most important levels that you're gonna look at, and if by any means stock falls below 1.66, there is no need to carry any further position on the downside. And most importantly, we should make sure that the stock is not falling below 2.28. Now, looking towards the upper end of the range, because as we have secured the lower end of the range by explaining the support as well as the stop loss, that will help us to explain the lower end of the range. Now, towards the upper end of the range, there are some sections which you need to understand, because there are further bifurcations inside it. So, if the stock continues to sustain above 2.28, you will have your next target at 3.29, and from 3.29 to 4.5 there is another range. Now as you can see, in 2015 to 4.5 will again become a big resistance, then it falls down and again make a bounce back in 2017-18 and again falls down. So it will definitely work as a big resistance even within the range, even in the middle of the range or within the range. So we have to wait for the stock to cross 4.5, and once that happen, a further range will open up for us, and beyond 4.5 we will have 5.58 and 6.13. So this will be the two targets that we're going to look at beyond 4.5. And once the stock sustain above 6.2 or 6.13 or 6.2, we can go for the upper end of the range, which will be in between 8.3 and 9. So I have explained the chart in a very simple manner, where you can get all the important support and resistance, and if you want to move out in between, you now have the information where are your important support and resistance, even in the shorter term as well as in the long term time frame. And most importantly, the range that we are discussing here, the overall range, is in between 1.66 and 1.78 on the downside, and on the upside we have 8.3 and $9. And only if the stock sustain beyond $9, it will be considered as a big breakout or a decade, more than a decade old breakout. In that sense, the stock is going to make new highs, because that will be a start of a new trend that requires the stock itself to make a breakout that we will discuss after the breakout. So there is no situation over there. So let's be within the range, and we have enough volatility to make profit out of it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.